Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is nighttime. I promised a subscriber that I would make cherry ice cream with semi-sweet chocolate chips. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me show you what I have. I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips in a bag. I've got some dark sweet cherries. I also have some maraschino cherries I'm going to use. I have a little bit of gel food coloring, little vanilla, 1 can of Eagle brand condensed milk, and I'm going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And this is the pan I'm going to use, and I'm going to give it to her in that pan and she can keep that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up. If you guys seen my other ice cream video, that's the bomb about this. It's easy, it's quick. You can have ice cream in 5 hours, and it is 11:30 at night. I just got home from work and I promised her I would have it tomorrow. So let me put you guys on pause and get everything set up, and welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. If it's your first time here, I upload 2 videos a week. Inspirational quote included in each one and a controversial joke at the end. Put you guys on pause and get everything set up because this doesn't take long. The hardest part is whipping the cream to stiff peaks. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm going to start with 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. It's 2 cups to 1 can of Eagle brand condensed milk. And this is the part that takes so long to get going. I'm just going to go ahead and add it on. I forgot from the last time. It's technically 2 cups. I'm going to go ahead and mix this till I get stiff peaks. It usually takes quite a bit, so I may have this sped up, but I'm going to give you the gist of how this works. Let me show you how it's getting thick. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause and whip this till I have stiff peaks. Okay guys, there you have it. You see there's stiff peaks, and I don't know if you know this, but with fresh heavy cream, you do not want to go too far because it will turn into butter. That is how you make butter. So I've got this part done. I'm gonna put you guys back on pause and get the cherries. What I did was I drained the cherries, the ones I got frozen, the dark sweet cherries, and I just have the juice and cherries in the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the mixer's blades clean, and then open up the Eagle brand condensed milk and start the next step. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna use 1 full can of Eagle brand condensed milk. And for you chefs out there and great cooks, those that know me know that there's no way in the world I would even think about trying to make fresh ice cream, having to temper eggs and all that stuff. Cooking is just not my thing. I do this as a hobby, but not something that I really love to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and you gotta whip this for a few minutes. some of the maraschino cherry juice. Okay, and this is 1/3 cup of maraschino cherry juice. And I'm going to just eyeball just a little bit of the dark cherry. And get that mixed together. And I am going to add just a tiny bit of vanilla, just to offset the flavor a little bit. And I'm going to add my gel food coloring. This is pink. Try and make this look more of a cherry color. And then I'm going to add my chopped cherries. See how easy that was? It only took a couple seconds, and put you back on pause and get the cherries, and then we'll pull this together and then we're all set. Okay everyone, I've got the dark cherries and the maraschino cherries. I just kind of rough chopped them with a knife. I didn't use a blender. You're more than welcome to, but anybody that knows me know your girl is not getting ready to get out another utensil to clean. So I'm gonna blend this quickly. Okay, I figured the two different types of cherries would be really good with the maraschino and the fresh, the frozen deep cherry that I have. And then you mix this together, and then you just want to fold this in to the whipped cream. Fairly simple. Like I said, if you're an ice cream lover and you know are good at cooking, then I'd get the ice cream maker and do the eggs and all that, but that's just not really my thing. You guys know I don't like to cook. This is definitely not a flavor I would eat, but this is something that she wanted, so I'm going ahead and fix this for her, show her how I would make it. And this is cherry ice cream with chocolate chips. And you may, for this recipe, I did look it up. I may have to go in a couple hours and stir this, because what will happen is the cherries and the chocolate chips will sink to the bottom, and that would not be good. So I'm just kind of stirring this up really good, because I feel that they are sinking to the bottom. Okay, and this seems to be pretty much mixed. And then I lined this pan here that I bought. I'm going to give her with cling wrap or saran wrap. I'm just going to pour this in. And this chills for 4 hours, but of course this will go overnight. And they didn't sink to the bottom, it's level on top. Okay, and see, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up with some cling wrap, put this in the refrigerator, in the freezer, and meet you guys back in 24 hours and scoop it out and show you how this turns out. As you see, looks pretty good. Cherry chocolate ice cream. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I folded the edges in, and then I'm also gonna add an additional, yikes, piece of cling to this. And then you don't want to store this in the refrigerator with fish or anything that has any odors, because it will pick it up. So I'm just gonna close this up, put some cling wrap, and I'm gonna put some foil on top, put this in the freezer, come back tomorrow and tell you guys my joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I love making videos. I don't like to cook, but I do get a kick out of making videos, and I love all the comments and the complaints and the constructive and unconstructive criticism that I receive. Like I said, I welcome it all. So if you guys have any tips or anything you'd like me to make, please leave me a message, inbox me or something. I'd be happy to give it a try. So let me put you on pause and I'll see you guys back in 24 hours. I'll show you in a moment. This is, pulls really nice. It's really hard, as you see. And you can make some good ice cream balls out of this. Yeah, my girlfriend was unable to pick it up today, so I am able to show you guys the final product in a scooped ice cream form. Okay, there you have it. Let me turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Okay, that is cherry ice cream with chocolate chips, requested by one of my subscribers. See how it looks nice and firm, and there it is in the pan. I'm gonna let this defrost a little bit and put it back in the pan for her. She said it was okay for me to scoop this out. So let me tell you my joke. A woman was out golfing one day when she hit her ball into the woods. She went into the woods to look for it and found a frog in a trap. The frog says, "If you release me from this trap, I will grant you 3 wishes." The woman freed the frog, and the frog said, "Thank you, but I failed to mention there was a condition to your wishes. Whatever you wish for, your husband will get 10 times more or better." The woman said, "That'll be okay." For her first wish, she said, "I want to be the most beautiful woman in the world." The frog warned her, "Do you realize that that wish you will also make your husband the most handsome in the world, an Adonis that women will flock to?" The woman replied, "That'll be okay, because I'll still be the most beautiful woman in the world, and he will only have eyes for me." So Kazam, she's the most beautiful woman in the world. For her second wish, she wanted to be the richest woman in the world. The frog says, "That will make your husband the richest man in the world. He will be 10 times richer than you." The woman says, "That'll be okay, because what's mine is his and what's his is mine. We're married." The frog says, then inquired about her third wish. She answered, "I'd like a mild heart attack." Get it? He'll die from a massive heart attack, and she'll get everything. Most beautiful and the most money in the world. That's kind of clever, but it's horrible. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please give this recipe a try. Like I said, you can put any flavors or any fruit or anything you want in this recipe and make this your own. This is cherry ice cream with chocolate chips. So thanks for watching. God bless. And if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and come back for the next one. Have a good evening.